Hello friends, I am Vinit Mehta. Today we are discussing on the topic of how to prepare for an exam of Gujrat University BCom semester 3. Now I am just elaborate the very important subject and in depth how many time and how many days should you give for this particular subject or particular chapter. So we are discussing first subject. First subject is Cost Accounting 1. In this Cost Accounting 1, you first time read this subject or first time study this subject. In this subject, there are total 5 chapters and 4 units. First chapter is Introduction of Cost Account. It is all about the theory. You may take maximum 1.5 hours, 1.5 hours for this particular one chapter. Now chapter number 2 and chapter number 3 are unit 2 of your syllabus. Okay? So in this chapters, in both, you take maximum 2 hours. Okay? I am again repeating. Unit number 1, chapter number 1, Introduction of Cost Account, you may take maximum 1.5 hours. And unit number 2, chapter number 2 and 3, material 1 and material 2, you may take only 2 hours. Now unit number 3, chapter number 4, direct labor, maximum 2 hours, nothing else, maximum 2 hours. Chapter number 5, unit number 4, it's a very lengthy chapter, accounting for overheads. It may take maximum 2.5 hours. For this one particular subject, you may take maximum 5 days. How many days? Maximum 5 days. Now I am discussing second subject, very important, corporate accounting. In this subject there are 4 units and 4 chapters only. Unit number 1, chapter number 1, valuation of goodwill. Valuation of goodwill is the very basic chapter and very easiest chapter in whole syllabus. It takes maximum 2 hours. Same way, if you study in very depth the valuation of goodwill, so now you are easy to complete valuation of shares in just 1.5 hours. So base concept is on valuation of goodwill. These 2 units and these 2 chapters are very important for the examination. It will take maximum 28 marks weightage in your examination. Now unit number 3, chapter number 3, bank account. It's a very lengthiest chapter. It may take 2.5 hours. And my well friends, I'm pretty much sure about this. You may refer schedule of bank account. It may be asked in examination. Now unit number 4, chapter number 4, liquidator account. It may take 2.5 hours if you study in depth. The maximum days for this 6 days with theory. In this subject it will take maximum 6 days. Okay. Now further moving on third subject, statistics, which you all are like for the statistics. Unit number 1 contained with the 3 chapter, function, limit and continuity. There are all dependent chapters. So you may take maximum 2.5 hours, 2.5 hours for this particular unit. Unit number 2, probability. Very easiest subject and very easiest topic of this subject, statistics, probability. It may take only 2 hours with study in depth. Unit number 3, negative binomial distribution. It take maximum 0.5 hours because the base of negative binomial distribution you always learn in the probability. Now unit number 4, it may take 2 chapters. One is mathematical expectations and moments. I am bifurcating this. Mathematical expectation may take 1 hour and moments it will take 1 hour. So maximum time or maximum days for particular this statistics subject, you may take maximum 4 to 5 days. Okay. Now I am moving on the very new subject for you, taxation. Fourth subject, very important subject for your BCom semester 3 exam because you are first time study this subject. Taxation. Unit number 1. It takes 4 chapters. One is introduction, second is definition. In definition part also contains some assessment and residential status. This unit number 1 may take with the practical of residential status only 2.5 hours. Unit number 2, assessment of an individual, totally theory chapters, nothing else. It may take maximum 2 hours. If you study in depth this chapter. Unit number 3, most important, income from head of salary. It is the very much important for your examination. Income from head of salary, it may take maximum 5 hours if you study in depth and for a particular one chapter. Unit number 4, income from the head of house property, very easiest chapter of this whole subject in practical questions. It may take maximum 4 hours if you study in depth this chapter, and very important chapter because practical questions are maybe asked in this 2 chapter 14 marks exactly. Unit number 3 and unit number 4. Unit number 3, income from head of salary and income from head of house property. So this whole plan give you for a maximum time and maximum days utilized in your study of your BCom semester 3 examination, and it is very much important for your study and for your career because this all our subject are scoring subject and you may take maximum benefit for this and maximum marks to be scored. Now my next batch start of BCom semester 4 and 6 will be on January 2017. You may take an inquiry for my coaching class. My coaching class number is Thank you friends.